a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Dupage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hoffman Estates, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Belmont-Cragen, Westchester, Dunning, West Town, Rolling Meadows, Glendale Heights, Bellwood, Berkeley, Austin, West Garfield Park, Rogers Park, Hillside, near North Side, North Lake, Oak Brook Terrace, York Center, Logan Square, Glenview, Niles, South Barrington, Rosemont, Evanston, Humboldt Park, Oak Park, and Lombard. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
District 3, if you can head to the city and stage at District 2, be available for any city or District 2 calls. We have multiple on 6 and in the area city.
Control from 102.
Last unit, go again.
Control from 102.
Go ahead.
102 is available from West Locust. Everybody was okay at this house at 6:13. Do we have any other opening calls?